a light sleeper, so it's really hard to bear the sound of the snoring. Having tried a lot of products, but nothing helps. It's so stressful.
This product really works.